The cheapest buffet I found is here at Ikea, and it was actually free. Well, basically free, that is. Watch the full video and come with me to find out how. Let's go! We made it, guys. We made it to the Ikea Renton, which serves the greater Seattle area for the Midsummer Festival, the Smorgasbord. It's usually held in June. I'm not sure why it's in June. I don't think that's midsummer. But then again, the Germans celebrate their midsummer in May. So that is the restaurant up there. It's really well decorated, actually. All Ikea stuff. I like this one already. The cost for this midsummer buffet has not changed in the last several years. It's $24.99 regularly or $19.99 for IKEA family members. So you might be wondering, how is this free then? Well, this year at this particular IKEA, they were giving out $20 vouchers that I could use in the store. Basically, the voucher offsets my $19.99 fee that I paid for the buffet. Sure, I did have to pay for the buffet, so technically it wasn't free, but it's kind of free now. In a previous year, I got a bag of IKEA items as a gift instead of a voucher. Some IKEAs don't offer anything except the buffet. It depends on which IKEA you go to and what they have available to offer. Either way, even if you paid the full price and got nothing back, it's still a pretty cheap buffet for all that you get. Take a look. The tables are more decorated than usual with florals and greenery. Sometimes they're even covered with tablecloths. Just not at this IKEA, unfortunately. But there are a lot of floral themed decorations throughout to get you in the summer mood. It's quite a charming ambiance. There's also a flower crown making station that I didn't get to record. Apparently, it's tradition. They say if you pick 7, and it has to be 7, different kinds of flowers and put them under your pillow, you'll dream about your future spouse. This festival is not just about the meatballs, lingonberry, or even the herring. It's about light and how the sun's light shines high in the sky for long periods of time during the summer. Traditionally, the festival is celebrated outdoors to be in the light. But as that isn't possible at the IKEA stores, we're just happy to have large windows to bring the light in. In some IKEAs, they have highly decorated long tables where you can just pile on food as much as you want on your plate. At this IKEA, I went to had it set up cafeteria style where they gave you what you want from behind a counter. But you can have as much as you want. We still ended up with a lot of food regardless of how it was served to us. That said, I prefer the long tables as it feels more festive that way. So what did I get from my $20 voucher? Well, food, of course. And they do have a great selection of Scandinavian type food here. The meatballs, center stage. Guess they also have a chicken one. Same price. Plant-based. Those are all new. I'm starting to see a lot more of those. I used to eat this a lot. This was actually really good. I always get these too. These are crepes. They stopped carrying this for a long time because they had said that the factory burned down, and I guess they brought it back. It's really good. I really like that almondy right there. Might get that one. I used to get that one too. Your $20 isn't gonna go very far here, but it's like at least you get something. Now this is interesting. A drink concentrate. Maybe just add water and ice. This is new. What is the Swedish fascination with moose? My friend really likes these. So guys, 20 bucks got me this. The crepes that I love. And the vegetable potato medallions. It's actually very good. It's better than it sounds. And I got a little candle. It's slightly over $20, but definitely 90% off, right? Hey there! Quick interruption to say thanks a bunch for choosing to watch my video. You're awesome! I'm Sherry, and I've been wandering the world since 2010, turning my travel site, Colorful Footsteps, into a brand new YouTube channel. Here, it's all about superlative trips, eats, and stays. If you're enjoying this video or found it helpful, please leave a like or a comment, and maybe you'll even subscribe someday. See you again, okay? Now back to the video. On a normal, non-festival day, it's still worth visiting the Ikea restaurant. Let's explore this place on a regular day just to see the difference. You get free Wi-Fi here, look. It does help because some of the store is Wi-Fi barren zone. So they do ask for your email as usual, but you do get really high-speed internet. And here are some remote workers working on their laptop. Who knew you could do that here? Today is a random Wednesday, but somehow I can see even from here the line at the restaurant is pretty long. Why? Well, if you're an Ikea family member, most of the meals today are half off, which is a great deal, and that usually happens on the weekdays. Plus, you get a free copy to boot. So, what is an Ikea family member? It's basically the rewards program that anyone can sign up for free. Not only do you get discounts, you also get to participate in events like the Midsummer Festival for a discount and gift in some cases, and other events like bingo, which I love, where you can win prizes, or workshops that they host for free. Every IKEA has different events, but almost all the time, you'll need an IKEA family membership to participate. No one can ever convince me that the IKEA fountain drinks are worth the $2 price tags, even with free refills, when it's mostly watered down. I love the crushed ice though. I always get a canned drink. with ice. The dining area is flanked by large bay windows overlooking the local valley and parking lot below. It's a large space with lots of seating that feels bright and airy, makes anyone feel good to sit, eat, and relax. After all that eating, what else can you do nearby? Well, why not explore the warehouse? I will say I don't have a single IKEA furniture in my home. I'm not a fan of the style or quality. It's not for everyone, but that doesn't mean it's not good. I also hate building my own furniture, and that is what IKEA is well known for, and it's frustrating. But that said, I do love their decor and organizational items. But mostly, I love walking through the warehouse for inspiration. How cool is this window? You can pretend you're in the city. Are they selling it? No, they're selling the blinds. This looks nice. Cereal. Thinking about buying one. I guess this is a pretend balcony. Wonder if I should buy something like this for my kitchen. At the end of the huge warehouse is this area where you can pick up the pieces of furniture you found throughout the store. It's going to put a huge number on your Steps app, but also, hopefully, by the time you get here, you'll have some good inspo for your home too. As a reward, there is a small restaurant right by the exit that sells cheap food and drinks, kind of like Costco.